All right, today we're going to go through stretching of the low back muscles. If you stretch them properly, you can really get some nice relief. We're going to show you 6 nice and easy methods how to stretch. We're going to hold the stretches so 10 to 30 seconds, depending on how it feels. If any of these stretches
always should feel good.
Right. If they create pain, particularly a sharp pain doesn't feel normal, immediately stop that stretch. Simply relax. You can start with one knee pulling to your chest, see how that feels. If it's a good experience, try the other one. Okay, hold that one. And these, again, 10 to 30 seconds. If that feels good, a little bit better stretch is both knees and up and stretch and relax. Take a towel, roll it up tightly, tape it up like this so it's about 6 inches in diameter.
Beach towel.
Yep, beach towel. Put it under there. Now, you're not going to put it under your back at the belt level.
Yeah.
That's too high up. You need it down low, below the belt, a few inches. Anatomically, you're going to be at the lower part of the sacrum by your tailbone.
On your butt.
Yep. There we go. And what that does, that intensifies that low back stretch. And boy, I really enjoy this one. In a quadruped or hands and knees position like Bob is in, you're going to go just like that, stretch down, buttocks to the heels as far as is comfortable. The hands kind of stay glued. This can be done on the bed or the carpeted floor as you choose. Hold it again for the time amounted. Now, if you want to stretch more of the muscles on the left side, you're going to reach over the opposite direction with your hands, in this case to the right, and you can get that stretch here more, and of course, the opposite hand position for the opposite muscle group on the back. Just going to prop up on your elbows. We're going to get an arch in the back. Now, if this feels very comfortable and makes your back pain reduce, then you're going to hold it there. You can do the option of doing what we call press-ups, where he keeps the hips glued to the floor and go up and down, not more than 10 repetitions. Again, this is one of those things that should feel good the longer you're up or the more repetitions. Otherwise, don't do it. You need a stick, a broomstick, a piece of PVC pipe, a piece of doweling. You're going to put it on the floor in front of you in the seated position.
Or on the seat.
On the seat, exactly. Right. Good point. It needs to not slip. So if it's on the floor and it's the bottom is slipping around, simply take a shoe, put it there, and put that inside the shoe. That'll grip well. Reach up with your hands as high as you can comfortably. You're going to hold on to it there. Don't let it slip through your hands as you lean forward. And now this stretches the low back, and it really gets that latissimus dorsi, which those fibers or those muscles do connect to the low back, and it really gets a nice fascial stretch. You can do this one standing. If you put it on a countertop or a chair, and again, it's the same concept except for standing. Now, when you do this, you're going to relax, let your back round out, let all those muscles.
One vertebrae at a time.
Yep. Okay, I'm at T10, T11, T12. That's a joke for therapists. Now you just go down, and again, this needs to feel good.
Grab our ankles.
Yep. I would not grab and pull really hard. We're not doing aggressive stretches. This is relaxing stretches. Breathe and relax.
No pain.
Come back up. Round here at the shoulders. So we're trying to start at the top, right below the neck. The upper back rounds, mid-back, lower mid-back, upper low back, middle low back, and lower low back.
I also want to do it if you have osteoporosis.
Right. If you happen to have a herniated disc, I would probably not do it either. Right. If you happen to have a pull-up bar, something where you can suspend all your weight on, we're using our pull-up system here. If it's close to the wall, it actually works better because you can use the wall for support and for posture, and simply put some decompression through that low back and stretch those muscles out that way. And the nice thing about, you don't want to be hanging right away. You want to be able to slowly and very controllably decompress and stretch those muscles